Are you tired of spam cluttering your Gmail? Learn how to permanently delete all spam in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you how to find the spam folder. Then, I'll walk you through deleting individual or all spam emails forever. Start by navigating to your Gmail homepage. On the left sidebar, scroll down and click on More to expand the folder list. Then, click on Spam to open your spam folder. To remove a single spam email, hover over it and click the trash bin icon that appears. If you want to delete all spam at once, click the top checkbox to select every email in the folder. Finally, click the Delete Forever button in the top bar to permanently remove them. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.